Hello, welcome to the video of how to lock and unlock a DPD or an ex-DPD van security system, which was called the TVG security system. Okay, so TVG security system, how to lock and unlock. A lot of people purchase these vans and they'll get a bit puzzled on how to get in and out. So let me just educate you on this. So you can see now the van is unlocked. Okay, the front is unlocked, but you can't open that because of this security. So you think to yourself, I know what I'll do. I'll get the little tab, this one here, put it on there, and it should beep and it should open. And no, nothing is happening because these have got another security feature where you have to fully lock the front first. So you get your fob, you lock that, so it's locked. Now the front is locked, so you can't get in. And then only now can you use this fob to hold there and it unlocks. Now that gives you 3 seconds and it will lock again. So you got 3 seconds to get in. Okay, so that's how it works. Now, in the event that you do get into this and you have the wind blows the door shut, okay, what you've got this push to exit button. Okay, so you can escape. Okay, you can escape. You've got one here on the rear door as well. So press that to get out. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this because if I do this, this is locked now. So if I press that, it opens up. Did you hear that? That locks straight away within 3 seconds. So that's what it is. So you'll notice that all the DPD drivers have got a change to their key onto their jean pocket, so they don't leave the key inside that, because that's the worst thing you can do, is obviously drop your keys, you know, get your keys, unlock it, put the key down on the floor there, get your parcel, lock the door, and then it's locked itself. That wasn't me, I didn't press anything. That was the lock locking itself. So that's how it works. So now all the rear's locked. Now you can't get in there. I forgot to tell you as well. So when I first opened this door, this just controls this door only. Okay, only this door. So that, when I touched that over there, didn't activate the rear door. So the rear door's not unlocked. You've got to separately do that one. You hear that? So you've got to separately do it. So that's the only way it works. Okay, and it's locked itself again. Okay, so that's I hope that's cleared your mind, because every time we take this van or someone uses it, they're scratching their head saying, I can't use this. So obviously it's the anti-hijack feature. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you want to see more fascinating videos. Thank you.